Are you tired of dealing with joint pain? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll explore the magic of dry fruits' simple, natural, and super tasty recipes that can ease your pain and strengthen your joints. From energy balls to smoothies and even crunchy salads, these recipes are packed with nutrients like omega-3, vitamins, and antioxidants, perfect for healthier joints and an active life. So, grab your favorite dry fruits, and let's dive into these easy step-by-step recipes. Best dry fruits for joint pain. 10 easy recipes to make at home. Number 1. Almond and date energy balls. Benefits. Rich in vitamin E to reduce joint inflammation. Dates boost bone strength with calcium. Almonds provide healthy fats to lubricate joints. Natural sugar boosts energy levels. Improves blood flow to reduce stiffness. What to do? Blend 1 cup almonds and 10 pitted dates in a mixer. Add 1 tablespoon honey for binding. Roll the mixture into small balls. Store in an airtight container. 2 to 3 balls daily. Number 2. Walnut and fig smoothie. Benefits. Walnuts are anti-inflammatory. Figs support cartilage health. Rich in omega-3 for joint mobility. Strengthens bones with magnesium. Helps in reducing morning stiffness. What to do? Soak 5 walnuts and 2 figs overnight. Blend them with 1 cup milk or almond milk. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Drink in the morning. Consume daily for better results. Number 3. Cashew and raisin milk. Benefits. Cashews provide healthy fats for joint lubrication. Raisins reduce oxidative stress in joints. Improves collagen production. Boosts joint flexibility. Aids in better calcium absorption. What to do? Soak 10 cashews and 10 raisins overnight. Blend with 1 cup warm milk. Add a pinch of nutmeg for taste. Drink before bedtime. Use regularly to ease joint pain. Number 4. Pistachio and apricot trail mix. Benefits. Pistachios reduce joint swelling. Apricots are rich in antioxidants. Good source of vitamin K for bone health. Promotes better joint lubrication. Boosts energy levels naturally. What to do? Mix 1 cup pistachios and 1 cup dried apricots. Add half a cup sunflower seeds. Store in a jar and eat a handful as a snack. Avoid adding sugar. Carry it for on-the-go munching. Number 5. Peanut and date bars. Benefits. Peanuts provide protein for muscle support. Dates are anti-inflammatory. Great for bone density improvement. Improves joint flexibility. Quick energy boost for active joints. What to do? Roast 1 cup peanuts until light brown. Blend peanuts with 8 pitted dates. Spread the mixture on a baking tray. Freeze for 30 minutes and cut into bars. Store in the fridge and eat 1 daily. Number 6. Hazelnut and prune porridge. Benefits. Hazelnuts reduce inflammation in joints. Prunes are rich in vitamin K for bone health. Supports cartilage repair. Boosts digestion for better nutrient absorption. Provides long-lasting energy. What to do? Cook half a cup oats in 1 cup milk or water. Add 6 chopped hazelnuts and 4 chopped prunes. Sprinkle cinnamon or honey for taste. Serve warm as breakfast. Consume daily for healthy joints. Number 7. Macadamia and cherry bliss balls. Benefits. Macadamia nuts are high in healthy fats. Cherries help reduce uric acid and inflammation. Provides magnesium for muscle relaxation. Boosts collagen for joint elasticity. Improves mobility with anti-inflammatory properties. What to do? Blend half a cup macadamia nuts and half a cup dried cherries. Add 1 tablespoon honey to form a sticky dough. Roll into small balls. Store in the fridge for 2 weeks. Eat 2 to 3 balls as a snack daily. Number 8. Sunflower seed and cranberry mix. Benefits. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E for joint repair. Cranberries reduce oxidative stress. Promotes better lubrication of joints. Strengthens bones with phosphorus. Enhances immunity to fight joint diseases. What to do? Mix 1 cup sunflower seeds and half a cup dried cranberries. Add 1 tablespoon flax seeds for extra omega-3. Store in a jar. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons daily as a snack. Ideal for quick energy boost. Number 9. Mixed nuts and banana smoothie. Benefits. Almonds and walnuts reduce joint swelling. Bananas provide potassium for muscle health. Boosts bone strength with magnesium. Provides energy without inflammation. Improves joint lubrication. What to do? Soak 5 almonds and 3 walnuts overnight. Blend soaked nuts with 1 ripe banana and 1 cup milk. Add 1 teaspoon honey or cinnamon for flavor. Serve chilled as breakfast. Drink regularly for joint health. Number 10. Brazil nut and apple salad. Benefits. Brazil nuts are rich in selenium for joint repair. Apples contain antioxidants to fight joint damage. Provides healthy fats for lubrication. Supports cartilage regeneration. Boosts bone density. What to do? Chop 5 Brazil nuts and 1 apple into small pieces. Add a handful of lettuce and drizzle olive oil. Sprinkle a pinch of black pepper. Toss everything together. Eat as a light lunch or snack. That's it for today, friends. I hope you loved these easy and delicious dry fruit recipes for healthier, pain-free joints. Remember, consistency is key. Add these recipes to your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and natural health tips. Thanks for watching.